How to hide names in Snapchat notification. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to hide people's name on the notification, then what you need to do is you need to head over to your iPhone settings first. And once you're there, scroll down and go to notifications. Now search for Snapchat. So once you find Snapchat, just go ahead and tap on it. And there, scroll down and you can see show previews. Tap on it and then you can choose when unlocked if it is set to always, or you can even choose never. Now, notifications won't show the name of the people, and you need to unlock your phone and then go to Snapchat to view it. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.